Next, we'll be going over zones, and then we'll talk about rules that can be created utilizing both the zones and other criteria that's being tracked in your GPS system. A zone is a virtual location on a map that can be used to generate notifications or can be used to isolate information for reports. By creating zones, you can pull specific reports such as trips history and view how long your employees spent at a specific location. This is a great tool because if you know a job should take 2 hours and your people have been on the site for 3 hours, you may want to check in with them and find out what the problem is. You can also look at how long jobs took on a historical basis. When you're estimating a new project, if you know of a similar project, you can go back into your tracking data to see how much time the other job took. You can color code your customers with one color and vendors with another, maybe drivers' homes with a third color. There are preset colors, but you also have a full color palette to choose from. If you're a color coder by nature, you have the entire rainbow to work with. Trips history reports are much easier to read when you have a zone created and named, as opposed to looking at a generic address like 123 Main Street on your report and wondering what job that might have been. This is how easy it is to create a zone. I can create a zone on the map by clicking the points on the map. I can find by address and then create the zone once the address has been found on the map. We can also import multiple zones from a spreadsheet. So if you have a customer list that you can export from your accounting program, that can quickly and easily be turned into all of the zones that you need on the map. There are also options to edit zones, edit the zone shape, edit other parameters on the zone, or change the color.